Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem of Scotland and Wales. Thank you.
All the best, guys.
All the best, mate.
All the best.
Yeah.
Let's get a pivot step. Step is up. Drive the line. Drive the line. Higher. So higher. M stay connected now. Maybe you can be a little bit higher. Go on and pit. Lock it one way pit. Be patient. Well, lock it. Lock it. So. Go on pit, go on in, M. Housen, go on in, go on in. One Suki, go on Suki, go on pit. Yeah, well done. So stand us up. Got Ava protect, Suki higher.
Yes. Then a circle.
More narrow, Suki higher. Ava protect. Got Suki left. One a pit, one a pit. Let's go pit. Lock on, lock on.
Hey, clean it up.
4-3-3 again.
Leave deeper.
Then lock it pit, lock it pit. Give it this way. Shoulder Suki, shoulder
Give me an option to slip.
Good. Good narrow off, Eva.
Leave.
Okay, hold your position. Be patient, so. Patient, pit.
Higher, Tony. All the higher.
Let's go to pit. Lock
Leave,
it one
stay
way.
shallower.
Lock it one way. Good Suki.
It's not on. Come out,
This
Tony.
way, good. Lock it this way. Next one, so.
Yeah.
Hold it, so.
Away, Lily. Away. Enjoy the ball. Higher, Tony.
M high, no connect. Suki. Go in high, out. Suki, hold it, one of them. Good KT, Suki, shoulders. There we go, Holly. Good, well done.
Leave. Oh, you can jump. Leave, push Chloe on.
Leave, take up. Tony. Just watch that just now. Watch that just now. Tony. Come on with that. Here. Let me get in front of you.
Stand, be patient, Daisy. Good up, Housen. Great tackle, man. Great tackle, Daisy.
Come on, leave. Come on, get in front.
No crosses. Stop the cross. Soph. Slide over, Soph. Just keep it this way, Soph. Go on and shoot, go on and shoot. Good. Well done. Hands up, son. Hands up. Secure it, Eva. Secure the ball. Relax. Good, relax.
Shoulders leave. Gain some control.
Stop dropping.
Leave deeper.
Stop dropping. High. Good, Ava 6. There we go, Ava. Rush.
Good.
Hold it, Soph.
Boy, you can step. Go around. All the time with 3v1 here, we can afford to shift balls right instead of back up. Yes, two and a three. Four steps up. Outside centre back step. Okay, keep going.
Higher!
Still room, Jess. Tight. Update. You need to stay front. Be aggressive. Be up. Jess, love you back. You can be aggressive.
First contact!
Come on, Jess. What's runners? Tony.
Come on, Em! Here it is, Em! Come on, Em! Keep going, Em! Come on! Keep going! Jess, come on!
Again, Tony. Look for this. Tony.
Inside, Tony, not too wide.
Daisy, you can release a little bit wider. That's fine. Okay, lock on. Well, it's so. Give it that way. Give it that way.
Steve, step it on.
Daisy, shoulders. Just be aware.
Chloe up. That's pulled their striker deeper, so it's easy for us. Okay, well done. Keep it going. Ask you with that one.
we're now covering. We're now thinking about defending.
Forward, big ball. Done. Enjoy the ball.
Katie, be brave. Be brave.
Tony, remember, Tony. Remember
Katie,
when
narrow,
you always
narrow.
think what's happening in there. Always think defend.
Daisy, how can you get on it?
Evan, exaggerate it. Round Freya. Round Freya.
Come on, come on. Yes. Tony, keep talking to Ola. Ola, we're now in. Ola, we're in. Ola, left shoulder. Always see.
Jacker, find the voice. Talk yourself through it. Keep the position high.
Keeper. Keeper now, Ola. Ola, come on. Be patient.
Yes, can you find the space in between?
Come on, Ola, come on.
Okay, ideas there. Lily, ideas there.
Daddy, sneak in, Ola.
Leave Tony, get together.
Sorry, Tony.
Higher, Katie. Higher, Ava Bold. Ava Bold, higher.
We'll start inside and come out once we get secure. Round the Jess. Well done, Ellen.
Go a wee bit. Can you cover a wee bit then, Tony, and get Neve really tight and aggressive. Get her tight. If she's going in there, that's fine. One nice piece. Tony! Sit. See the game.
Good throw, Freya.
Beth, be patient. Pond dive in.
In early, Beth. Come on, Beth. Get in.
Tight. Get up tight.
Nip up.
Up tight.
Get out. Drive the line. Open up, Katie.
Stay up, lock it in, stay up. Okay, good. Well done.
Holly, be brave. Katie, be brave. Relax.
Ola.
Freya, follow coach in now.
Get there, well done, Ola. Can you hit?
Yes, all that good. Tony, the options are done. Then Jess, we lock it.
Have to be higher!
Set it up. Ellen.
Well, that's good.
Yep. Backline step. Good, Freya. Steve, you go up. Back it up that way, okay? Move with the team. Julie, as well, you can keep them communicating. Ball goes back, we'll step.
Chloe, play in front of you nice and tight and aggressive, alright? You cover all that. Get her nice and aggressive. Get Freya nice and tight. Up an RB bit, she can go an RB bit, Chloe.
Save checker! Save checker!
More for a wee bit. Ola.
Too many they pick up.
Defend!
Goal side on, field up for them, lift them, you're in a position, that's it.
Freya.
Goal side, take her out the game, just some of almost playing in between. Mia just ends up goal side.
Freya, try and sneak in the back when possessed, stand round there. Okay? Try and get in behind. In front. Ola! It's on there!
Higher!
Jess!
Keep going! Come on!
Go on then.
Sam, offer! Sam, offer! Sam, offer! Offer!
We'll let her go for the edge.
Second phase!
Leave! Give yourself a yard or two there. Halfway line's good.
Keep us going.
Talk to Chloe.
They're in line with the ball. In line with the ball, Fern.
Suki, when the ball's on that side, just drop in a little bit. Good, that's fine, not too early though. Step us up, drive us up, Katie! Beth, higher! Beth, let's go! Step us up, higher, Pip, higher!
Now structure,
Higher,
now
Suki.
structure. Chloe round.
Go on, Pippa, lock it one way. Lock it, so. Ava, left shoulder, good, Holly.
Go on another.
Strong Suki, 1v1, 1v1.
Getting relaxed, enjoy it. It's not on, come out.
This way. Go on, Eva. Dad, drive us up.
Jess,
Get closer,
keep
Chloe.
making that run. Keep making that run.
Give me this way, Pippa. Has to stay this way.
There, Sir, get the
All that in.
balance.
All that in.
Chloe, just careful of distance between you and Neve when we're building. The shorter the pass, the more safe we are, okay? Hold on, great running. Great running as well, keep it going.
Daisy, let's go. Quick. Higher. Turn him back. Katie, trust yourself. Katie, trust yourself.
No, drop a wee bit. Pal.
Go on, Let's go. Put the ball. Next one, Suki.
In front. Just go in front now. Go side on. See. Side on. See it.
Up. Eva, Suki, have you done it? Drive it, Pippa. Eva, higher.
Chloe, not too wide. Stay connected, Freya. Freya, shallower. Stay connected.
Pull it south. Higher, and
Back
Giddings,
three.
stay high.
Box
Don't drop
wide.
it, Giddings.
Back three. Box wide. Chloe, too wide. Too wide.
Yes, stay connected. Stay connected, Beth.
Move the ball, almost overload. Almost overload. Jess, that's
Let's go,
the famous.
she's going, you got to back her up. Good.
Jess is
Good.
in.
Stop the keeper, good Pippa, let's go. Next one.
Halfway, elbow.
Up we get. There's too many in the back.
Julia! Just keep the ball moving. Complete the play. Yeah?
Holly, get on the ball. Katie, got to play. Katie, drop in. Holly, depth. Holly, deeper.
Jacka, can you be braver? In possession.
Good, Ava. Pippa, how can you get on it, Pippa? Good, Katie.
Ollie up then now, Billy. We're up halfway, I think. Ola, bring your unit. Stay on as much as you can, yeah, there's only shade of it. Just to make it. close.
Set yourselves up, Katie, set us up.
Distance first. We're going to
Yes, now back close.
start away. Don't draw them in too early.
Pass it off. Hey, come back, come back. Screen right, screen right.
Yes, go shot.
Always a spare player.
There we go. Onto the throwers. So narrows off. Kippy, you can drop a little bit deeper. There we go.
Set up early!
Well done, Tony. Well done, Finn.
After this is you!
Back yourself for there. Back yourself for a shot. Up to you, you decide.
Chloe! In front, Chloe! Chloe, front!
Daisy, Daisy. Drop deeper and narrow. Stay deeper and narrow. Deeper, Daisy. Deeper, deeper. South, M higher. M higher. Pippa, you need to be deeper as well. Katie, get on the ball. Katie, get on the ball. Katie, trust her.
Double do it, Jess.
Hang on it, Pippa. Have a seat, next one.
I won't do all this because exaggerating off on the opposite side.
More connected to Suki. More connected to Suki. Start to creep. Harder. Just keep checking your left shoulder. Now connected to Suki. Good, let's go. Next one. Follow all the way, Eva. Back her up. Next one. Back her up, Pippa. Good.
Hola.
Okay,
Hola. Just in the space.
there we go, Em. Let's go, on the touch. Go, Ness. Go.
Hey,
Can you get there, Finn?
help it, Hola. Go, Hola.
Jess, good shouting, Freya.
Bev, how can you support?
Stay up.
Super tight then. Come on, look to cover, Tony. Talk. Go on, Ola.
Drive it up.
Ola, go! Ola!
Good, Em, let's go, pressure. Relax, Em, relax. Find your shape. Go, Suki. Next one. And again, Em, if it goes. Good, Em. No fouls. Back her up, Suki. No, good.
Be brave to play!
Suki, stay inside, narrower. Emptiness. Suki, stay high.
Freya, Ola! Freya, Ola, stay connected with back leg, shallower.
So, in line with centre up.
Eve, close at the box.
Keep it this way. Good play, plus. Daisy, back. Higher, higher. Daisy, back higher. Daisy, back higher. Out. Down. Get wider. Narrow, narrow.
Drop, Ola, drop. Jess, we'll look for you.
Calm.
Relax, Pippa.
Freya,
Stay
shallow.
there, Ola.
Freya, shallow. Outside.
Relax, Pippa. Ava's
Ola,
starting
to
now.
Ola.
Now
Jess,
we go,
look for you, Jess.
Pip. Let's go.
Yes!
On the touch. Inside, just inside. Good. Excellent. Counter. Good.
Defend the ball.
So, set yourself up. So, Pippa early. Get ready. Head over toes.
There, stay high. This time. Lily,
Suki,
Lily,
what's
stay
that?
in. Pull Freya shallow. Stay in, pull
So,
Freya
get ready.
shallow.
Stay high on the tempo. Beth, shoulders. And again, Beth. Relax, so.
Idea up.
Now we go.
Go on
One
in,
to one
go
side.
on in.
Well done. Go, Freya. Lily,
Shay, nothing through!
next build.
Shay!
Keep leaving next to you. Full back, one back shallow.
Stand Pip. Now we go. This way, Pip.
There's no one, Tony.
There we go. Take Daisy. When you battle, Daisy. Back to Daisy. Good, Katie, well done.
Graham, can you get this side?
Hang on it, Daisy.
Ola, can you go over and up? Ola, can you go over and up? Can you get up? Can you get up? Can we make sure we're switched on there?
3 to 2. Suki, 3 to 2.
And Jess.
Stand, Beth. Stand.
Ola, can you sneak round the back? Ola.
So higher.
Talk to Tony. Talk to Tony.
Jekka, can you be brave to step in?
Ola, don't get to Ola. Don't forget. Come on, fast. Come on, fast. Come on, fast. Come on. Good to get this. Drop deep. Hey, Jez.
Good, Daisy, you got a narrow. Left narrow. Good, Housen.
Jez. They need to do it quicker. Ola, they need to do it quicker. They need to move the ball
Start to
quicker.
creep. Start to creep.
They need to move the ball quicker.
Move it quicker. Bring it out, go.
That's it, very good.
Diagonal, come on, Phil.
Come on, Lily. You need to move the ball quicker. Ola drop. And again, drop again. You're not going to get it there. That's not for you. I'll put it back.
Come on, Ava! Suki, straight line! Let's go, Suki! Come on, Ava! All the way back, Ava!
Chloe! Here.
Step, Chloe up, Chloe!
Up you go!
We need 3v1!
You take your knee. Take your knee. That's all, Chloe. Come on. Hey, go then. Up we go, edge box. Up we go.
Hip
Go,
up!
clear, up we go. Go tight, go aggressive with 13. Mark, you want this one? Overflow it.
Be brave! Look after possession!
Chloe, see what's happening in the edges. You get that right about now. You in the middle. You take, Chloe, stay there. Make sure that's all right.
Good, well done, you two.
Set it up. All up. You take your own time. Make sure that's all right. Tony, make sure that's all right.
Pippa, come across. Come and do 14's toes. That's it.
Start together, Jess, sir. Start together. Who's the free player?
Toes! Good.
Go on in.
Good, so fighters, good, back her up here.
Right
And
inside,
again,
wide,
good.
centre
Look,
back.
all the way, quick, next one, Ed, let's go, Ed. Goalkeeper.
Markline, stop passing inside.
Julia.
Just keep your side on him, just check your shoulders. Daisy, get ready to go if it comes this way. Right, it's going opposite.
Serge, hold the middle. Hold the middle.
Good aim and ball. Ref. Ollie, get on it. Keep dropping, Katie, kill the space. Good, let's go. Work the back end, last minute. Good, Suki. 1v1 stays, get on early. Go, Housen. 3 in the 2.
Tony.
Good, Katie, and again. Good, Pippa.
Okay. Okay, hasta ahora.
Yes.
you a little bit, yeah.
Sam.
Ellie, check central, check central. Go on, Ian, go on, Ian. Get your body there, Beth. Be cautious of that one inside, Lily, only when it's on. Support it! See the ball, Ellie, see the ball! Stand, Katie, patient. Go them, Howson. Good Alan, down on the ball. Step it up, so. Go Pippa, drive it up. Good. You can't progress, come out.
They are not too early.
Step
They
it
are
up,
not too
so.
early.
Keep it this way, so. Good Alan. Stand back. Good Alan. Step on, stay up, take the ball. There. Them shoes short, you take off. Okay? Ready to jump. Yeah, pull up. One way down.
Boise. Don't cover Neve. Lily. Get right round. Go really tight. Get Neve really tight. Neve, drag her. See her. Bring her. Neve, don't just run that direction.
All around.
And again. And again.
All the back line.
Drivers up, Katie! Daisy, drivers up!
Open up, Ollie. Neve, open up.
LG, great run.
Ola, well done, top ball.
Switch on. Baby, be patient, okay? Just make sure you're seeing over your shoulder. Go aggressive now, front end if you want. Just drop back in, you go tight.
Come in the centre. Polly, come central. Back.
Baby. Baby over.
Check your phone, Scott.
Yeah, Molly. Molly.
LG.
I'll double check that. Possibly. I believe so. One would just like that.
Drivers up, Daisy.
What, Freya, what? Come to the right.
Go on, Alan. Good, Alan. In the goal. Tight left.
Fern, and Fern, Fern.
Back, drop down a bit. Back, drop down. Let's drop down. Stay now. Keep going back. Close to the other one.
Nearly drop a wee bit.
Aye, protect the middle, sir. Eva. Great press, well done.
End up now.
Lily, cautious, we don't vacate the middle of the pit. There's enough in there.
Hand over, slide her over. Go on then.
Well done, Phoebe. No.
Katie, start on the ball. Daisy, drop down. Daisy, drop down. Drop down. Play now, Katie. Daisy's on.
Yeah. Space first in the middle. We need that adjustment.
Daisy,
To
to
learn
Daisy.
doing the ball moves. Now the space
Play
is
forward.
Good. Well done.
Go on, Freya.
Done, Tony.
Well done, Suki.
Go on, Freya. Right shoulder, Freya.
Grab the line.
LJ. LJ. Go on, Freya. Go, Freya. What a run you've made, by the way, Freya. What a run you've made here, Freya. No, what is he doing?
Holly, okay, start on the ball. Back up, deeper. Back up, back the ball. There we go. Play.
If you go that side, you can lock. Space first. Yep. Inside Eva. Yep. Good.
Right over, come on, bring them over. Good.
Next one, Freya. Need to read it. Done, Lily. Freya, read the numbers. That's not on for us. We can find another solution. Good.
Good, Hannigan. Good, Alan. Lucky Alan, coming back in. Good, hold your shape. Step us up, higher. Halfway line.
Higher. Take it away, Allah. Take it away.
Alan, get ready to jump. Good, Pippa.
Good.
Well done, Emma Housen.
Go on, Freya, you get this. You get this, Freya.
Lean into the back, Freya.
You
Lock
get
it,
this,
Lily.
Freya.
Freya, come to you. Well done.
Julia, well done.
Freya.
Get connected. So if you can be higher, so flat is higher. Ellen, not deep. Closer to so flat. Don't go too deep. That's not your player, Ellen.
Keep running, LJ. Share space, good. Well done, Freya. Next one. Yep, we're up. Back line. You get there, Phoebes. Back up, Paula. Good, Phoebe. Yeah, space first. Space first. Good.
Ellen, narrow off now. Ellen, narrow off. Narrow off. Nothing central, Ellen.
Enjoy it.
Give it this way, so.
Where is it?
There we go. Jams up hand. Higher, Anya. Higher.
Paula. Lock it off. Saoirse, lock it.
Well done, Holly.
Good running, LG.
Freya! Freya! Not too early. Delay your run. Tony! 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 Go tight, go in 7. And again, keep going. And again!
Eve, go Tony tight.
Drive it up, Molly. Contact!
Come on, Tony!
Ready on the ball. Ready on the ball.
John!
Come on, look at that.
Is he? Yeah.
Freya.
You be right. One on the ball.
Just drop.
Anya, you protect now in the one. Anya on your own. Higher. Hassan. Higher. Ellen. Ellen, stay high, Ellen. Let's go kick. Stay high. Whichever side the ball goes, you have to be between both.
Ha salido 16.
Higher. In line with Suki. Inside the pitch, Ellen. Inside the pitch.
No, she's middle. Yeah, all went off far side.
Lock it, Pip. Lock it that way, Pip. Ellen, now off now.
Up, Merrin, can you help back on Merrin? Help LG, can you get closer? Go on, Merrin.
We start to get there. Yes.
Gotta get rid of Well done, Holly.
Well done, good possession. Well done, Molly. Now we play the ball quickly.
Step us up, Molly. Anya, higher. Lock it, Soph. Lock it. Covering Suki.
What's that?
Suki.
Haley in the back.
Go on, Holly, floor.
Do the work, Merrin.
Runners here. Runners here. Boys, hey, Lily.
Holly, step us up. Come on, Holly. Keep going, Holly.
Deeper, Molly, deeper.
Protect central, Alan. Protect central. How you go, Alan? Good.
Good. Well done, Haley. No,
20.
Hey, well done.
Well done. Good play.
Haley, superb. Well done, Pete. Start with clear. Far side. 4 channels, Merrin. 4 channels. 3 channels even. I'm confused myself here. Squeeze. Close the gap. Molly, Tony. Close the gap. Up in line with Lily. Right. Okay, good. Well done, Lily. Yeah, you can go. Yeah, go catch. Kick her on and hold your centre mid. Kick her on and hold your centre mid.
Merrin, number one. Merrin, number one.
Eva, space first. Just reset.
And stop dropping. And Housen, stop dropping. Hold it, M. Good, Molly.
Some passes.
Let's go, Anya. Hold it, Izzy. Keep it this way. There we go, 1v1, Izzy. Good, Izzy.
One's into the pocket. You can't see what's coming. Angle passes. Close the gap. space first. Tell them to run ahead.
Clear, back shoulder.
Control the counter, Holly. Good Suki. Well done, Pip. Got yourself, lock on, Annie, lock up, step up. Good is it?
LG!
Good Pip,
Cross
well
tonight,
done,
divide
Pip.
the ball! LG! Higher pressure across the end! Steam it up!
It's the ball! Hey! It's the ball!
Tony in! Tony in! In!
Good, find control in the game! Tony, drop! Bring it out! Now off is it, now off is it?
Go high, go free, go free, go free.
Protect central, Annie, protect central, Annie, protect central. Drive it up, step it up, step us up. Daisy higher, Daisy needs to be higher. Over.
Come on, Fia! Come on, Fia!
Ellen Merwa first.
Yeah, just now. Oh yeah, that's race.
Well done, LJ. Good Freya. Great running.
That's it. Keep going, Ellen. Keep going. Good stretching. Keep stretching.
Ellie, arrive late! Ellie, arrive late!
First contact. Check shoulders. Second phase. Izzy, open up. Good checker.
Freya side on! Freya side
There,
on!
there, there.
Good.
LJ lead!
Good.
Yeah, drop into back three.
Suki.
Okay. Good. Halfway like that. I'll get that one. Make sure there's cover, Freya. Just to cover this, Freya. Going over. Come on, Molly. Look, come on, Molly. Haley, watch over your head. Haley, drop! Just to cover this, Freya. Going over.
Good idea.
Just drop my head. Drop me back. My head. Drops here there. As soon as she's in there, you can't see her.
Set up early.
Go for that at 80 if we can. Just after that. Really? Keep us tidy, come on, keep us tidy. Hold the levels high. Chloe, deeper, 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 deeper. Space first, Eva. Ola, sorry, Eva. Cheers. Ola, you can snap. Space first. Start dropping, Eva. No going short. Eva, might be saying to Mirren, can you cover both and you can sit off a wee bit? Okay? I know, but if you say to Mirren, can you screen both and I'll deal with it deeper? Enjoy it.
Next one!
Give her an out. Push, don't you? Give her an out. Make
Space
sure we
first,
get-
Eva.
Make sure we get
Eva,
two together.
protect first.
Yeah. I think they've pulled one back up. I don't think they're that almost one.
Can you get it, Mirren?
Second phase! Straight shoulders!
So if you go now to pit.
Well, 7. Michael, 7. Punch one through. Chase us out. Split 15 and
I'm saying to Mirren, she can deal with both the two deeper ones or two sets that can sit off. Go to
14 clear on the top line.
oh, right, okay.
Go,
Number one.
Foul.
Yeah. That's so lucky.
Speed of the ball.
Yes. Go, mate. Can you go on?
Tony, right side centre back. Really, left side. Phoebe, go left one back for me. Go up with you. Go up with you. What is it? If you get higher, and against the wall.
Go right in there, Mirren. Go
And,
right in.
and. When you make sure you get close.
A wee bit deeper as well. Deeper.
Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it.
Go,
That's
go,
it
go,
up.
go, go, Mirren, go, Mirren, go, Mirren.
Really, keep Phoebe in. Tony, keep talking to Molly. Molly, tell them what you want.
there.
No,
Hey,
Mahek,
hey,
stay in first.
Mahek, drop there. You can go. Mahek, inside now. They've got it. We need to defend. In.
Space first, you can move as the ball travels.
Mahek, drop it to side you can. Mahek, not too far. Mahek!
Good man,
Mahek!
Speed it up, ball, Julia. Come it up. Give her clear more time. No, Bailey. Nice.
Go on, LG! Go on, LG! Finish now.
Ball goes left, my head and it drop. Be ready to drop. If it passes you, midfielders don't get drawn in. Hold Eva. There's your space. Space first, good. Space first. They can drop keeper first. That one there, see how you can deal with that. Okay? Once higher as the ball travels, they'll come around you. Okay? Molly. That's fine. Now it's you, Seth. Good.
Mahek, right in. Right over, Mahek.
Well done, Aileen. Good, Tony. Good cover. Enjoy the ball. Open. Good. Enjoy the ball. Wait till they commit, Tony. Wait till they commit. Good work, Mahek. Tony, cover.
Mahek. You're right back now. Right back area.
Right, Molly. Good. You've got your cover. Well done. Tony, keep
Line
talking.
right, Tony. Mahek.
Good,
Where
LG.
you going?
Well done, Jekka! Go on, Amelia! Step up then!
Check the
Step up
shoulder,
then!
Mahek.
Mahek.
Done, Aileen. Is he? Hi. Holly, get Molly closer to
There's
you.
another one we need to talk to Tony.
Just make
Pass it
sure
over
Ava's
now.
screening.
Don't go any further over there.
Fine there. Up, squeeze, back line up. Back line up. Keep going. Good data, LG. Don't let it come out. Hey, well done. Good throw. Well done. Well defended. Let's go. Ava. That's good. Phoebe. I'm going to play, Ava.
Mahek, side on! Side on!
Keep on it, Molly.
Mahek, don't worry about her. What do you really need?
Up back line, stay connected. Now you can think about it slightly. Leave it.
Over.
Done. Great timing, much better. Serge, Eva, space first. Central space is you.
In front, Mike, in front. One toes. Go out of the front, yeah.
Done you.
Up we get, together. Up Ely. Up Ely. Up Molly.
Back forward.
Can you get in the back post?
Good running, Dara. Good running, keep it. Jacob. Ahead now, deeper.
Over. Ely, no further. No further.
Keep it. Spin it out. Spin it over, Chris. Lift out. Good Alan. Come on, Alan. Keep it. Pressing here, need you round there. No, it's not comfortable. You see us out for the last back. Step in, is he joining? Is he going to join in? And you're higher. Molly drop.
Mahek round the back. Sends there as well. Mahek. Always see. Very far.
Run it, Pip.
LJ.
Don't need to progress, Tony. You don't need to progress. Good Alan. Just be in a position to screen. Push forward, pick it up. Let's go. Push. No fouls, Chloe, just win it. Next one, Chloe. Good Eva. Next one, Anya. Secure. Secure it, Alan. Secure it. Go, Chloe. Step in, Amelia. Step in. Is he higher?
Mahek. Right, right side. Right shoulder. Right shoulder. Right shoulder. Bring it back. wee bit, Chloe.
Good.
Bend the ball.
You got narrow. Left narrow. Good on Housen.
Boise. Don't cover Neve.
Great press, well done.
Get this, Maria.
Well done. Keep running, LJ.
Over in Suki.
What's that?
Suki.
Haley in the back.
Go on, Holly Clark.
LJ!
Good pick
Cross
up.
it
Well
out,
done,
divide
pick.
the ball!
Well done, LJ.
Needs to cover this, Freya. Gone over.
Good running, Dara, good running.